is with me here, the Director of Operations over at Famous Dave's. And once again, John, we welcome you. And we want to keep this spring fever going. And obviously, you guys, great friends with Action 3 News here. And talking about, you're a huge sponsor of the backyard barbecue in the summer. And we're getting, maybe not summer, we're getting a taste of spring here.
No, this is great weather for us, especially at Famous Dave's. The spring brings out people barbecuing at home, but you know it's awfully windy, so maybe you can't barbecue tonight at home. So you come out to Famous Dave's, order some food, and we'll have it ready for you. And backyard barbecue, we love doing it with you guys. I think 10 weeks, we do it 10 weeks in a row.
Sounds about right.
It's great. We love it.
Okay. And he brings up a really good point. Even though we've had the snow and the melt and the moisture, these winds, things could take off. So be careful grilling. Just give John a call or the gang over there at Famous Dave's and order up some catering out there. And you guys are big. That's one of the big things you do, right?
Oh, yes, we do. Do a lot of to-goes, obviously. Catering's also huge for all of us at Famous Dave's. But, yeah, call us ahead of time, and in 20 minutes we can have your order ready to go.
That sounds like a good deal right there. I'll tell you what, 20 minutes, not long at all. Anything else new, exciting going on over at Famous Dave's?
Just waiting for some nice weather. That's it. Waiting for some really nice weather. Give it to us, Ryan, please.
I'm trying. I think that's why we're all out here this afternoon. All right, John, I appreciate it.
Thanks
for coming.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for the spread, too.
Oh, no, there'll be more later.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
All right.